Hello everyone, you are watching Noob GamiTech. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create USB bootable drives to install operating system like Linux, Windows, Mac, etc. on your PC. So let's start. First, open a browser and go to google.com and search for roofs. I will download. Okay, and go to the second link, fileinfo.com. Click on the latest version. Okay, now save the file. Open it. Yes. Okay, now Roofs is open. Now select the image file. So where you get the image files? I'm suggest a website. It's called windowsiso.net. Here you can find Windows 7, 8, 8.1 and 10. For Mac and OS, just search on Google like Mac operating system ISO file, Linux operating system ISO file, blah blah blah, just like that. Okay, I already downloaded ISO file. It's Windows 7. This format, as you can see, ISO. So now I plugged in a USB pen drive. Oh, pen drive. It's open. As you can see, the pen drive is empty. It's 4 GB capacity. So now we are going to import the USB pen drive, the Windows. So click on select and open that folder um, while you keep the file, keep the ISO file. In my case, in the desktop new folder, so I am select and open this, and it will open. Okay, cut this and open this again. Okay, now the pen drive is decollated. Now select and click Windows 7 ISO file and now click on start. Okay, it will show a warning message, all data on this device will be destroyed. Okay, continue. Now it will take some time. Okay guys, you can see the ready option. Now it's ready for installing the OS. In my case it takes 5 minutes. I'm going to show you the pen drive. Yeah, as you can see, the Windows is installed on the pen drive. So now restart and install the OS at your own OS. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to install the Windows 7 via USB flash drive on your system. So thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos.